Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to exclude some folder from Windows Defender or Security on Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to exclude some folder or process or extension file from Windows Security on Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First of all, go to your start menu as you can see here and select settings. Okay, here guys, select update and security. That's it. Okay, in the left side, go to Windows Security. Okay, in the protection areas, select virus and threat protection. Okay, here guys, scroll down to virus and threat protection settings and click manage settings. Manage settings as you can see. Okay guys, here also scroll down. Okay, also to exclusions. Microsoft Defender antivirus won't scan items that have been excluded. So excluded items could contain threats that make your device vulnerable. So be careful guys if you want to exclude some files or process. So let's say guys, we want to exclude this folder as an example, 0 client folder. So in the exclusions section, click add or remove exclusions. As you can see, we have already excluded some files here. So to exclude a new folder or process or extension files, click add an exclusion. Okay, I want to select folder. Here guys, locate your folder. So my folder in desktop, 0 client. Select the folder. Do you want to allow? Click yes. As you can see guys, here see users, the name of the computer, desktop 0 client. So this folder now is excluded from scan from my antivirus. Also guys, you can exclude, as you can see, some file. Okay, also file type here the extension like .mp4 or .mp3 or any extension of any file. Or guys, here you can exclude some process. Just enter the process name here. Also you can exclude some files here directly. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.